So that way we try to educate our community. Lots of education program on COVID-19 supplied masks and soaps so that they can be educated, and it was a great learning. Dear friends, I am Vijay Kumar Naik. I am working as the regional coordinator of Dhan Foundation in Odisha. So here we are having 5 locations in Koraput district. In all locations we are running different types of program like health and sanitation program, agriculture development program. We are also having community banking program. All these program, our main focus is to develop socio-economic condition of tribal communities. Especially in pandemic COVID, our all health workers as well as all staffs were intensively involved to educate tribal communities. When we found first positive case in Odisha, at that time we initiated Corona Awareness Rath, which moved around different interior villages of Koraput and covered more than 1 lakh people. Those who were educated through different types of awareness program. We also developed various behavior change communication materials. We invited various medical practitioners to our field. They also educated our communities how they can know what is corona, what is their symptoms, what is the consequence, and what type of precaution method they can use to be safe from COVID-19 infection. So that way we try to educate our community. At the same time, lots of SHG members, they came forward, they stitched different types of masks and it was locally available. We also distributed more than 30,000 masks and soaps. We demonstrated a tribal community how they can use masks, they can maintain social distancing from each other in workplace. We also initiated lots of education program on COVID-19. At the same time, our staffs also, they were involved in maintaining social distancing at PDS center, ICDS centers, and also in banks. Lots of where they found there is public, they are not maintaining social distancing, and with the help of district administration, we could be able to support many of the migrant labor, those did not have job card, and we supplied them job card. We also supported district administration in completing lots of pending MGNRG work in all those our working areas. At the same time also we facilitated the process of getting new job card, those people they don't have, and really this pandemic COVID has taught us many aspects and how we can educate ourselves and our community, how virtually we can also do many activities that can benefit communities as well as for the institution. We also involved various stakeholders. They came forward, they also supported our communities, and these communities, they also were involved in maintaining social distancing. At quarantine center, they served cooked food to the migrant labor, those who are put in quarantine centers, and at the same time also they demonstrated various social distancing in their respective villages. Even while some migrant labor came to their village, they did not allow to their village, rather they put in quarantine centers. So such type of various work we have done. Really it's a tough time for all of us, because we have never expect such type of corona positive cases will be coming in Odisha. Even we are suffering right now there is still lockdown is there. Our member they are not able to sell vegetables, and we also facilitated them in marketplace, how they can sit and they can sell their vegetables. It was a great learning for all of us. We really give thanks to this district administration for supporting, and so that we were also involved in containment zone of first case of corona positive in Koraput district. It was near our location, and we tried to collaborate with them. We educated those tribal communities. We supplied masks and soaps so that they can be educated, and it was a great learning for us, and thanks district administration for this. Let us, we should not go outside unless we are having emergency work, otherwise we will stay at home and will stay safe. Thank you.